Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the function that allows other people to click on your profile picture on Instagram to zoom it in and see the full picture on their screen. Now I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device, head down to Instagram, and as you can see here in the top of my screen I have this user. Now let's say I want to see the full size picture. I simply hold down their profile and here I can see their picture. Now let's say you want to turn it off. It's very easy. What you need to do is go to the button right of your screen where your profile picture appears, and from out here you want to go to the top right where the three stripes are. Now here you want to scroll all the way down till you see the account privacy tab. Now here, as you can see, I've already turned on my private account. Now let's say I want to make it public. Here in the button we have the allow profile picture expansion. Now what this does, it allows you to zoom in when clicking the image. Now if you can see, I have it grayed out, but is this set to black, which the lever is turned to the right side, it's turned on, and then people can zoom in on your profile picture. If you turn this off, people can't see the full profile picture on your Instagram account. It's very easy. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.